9 o'clock and I've been up since like 6:30 already. I already pumped, cleaning up the house a little bit. I need to do the laundry. And yesterday I spent all day literally cleaning my kitchen because I just have so much crap everywhere. So I've condensed all of my plates and cups into one cabinet so I have more space to utilize. We got some white strawberries from Costco and I've never had one before. So we're gonna try it and see if it's good. It doesn't look good because it just looks like it's not ripe, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, almost dropped it. The texture is soft, huh? Or is it just me?
It is softer. That's probably because like, dude.
Yesterday I spent all day organizing my kitchen and this is all that I accomplished. I condensed my bowls, especially this size because I had about like 4 stacks of them right here and we were only realistically using about this much, so I put those away. And I bought this 3-tier plate organizer from Ross. I wanted a white one but they didn't have it, they only had silver, so I just bought it and I can always paint it later if I wanted to. But I have my plates right here and I only put the coasters up here because I don't have anything that's gonna fit into this space where I can easily grab it, so I just decided to put the coaster there because we don't really reach for those. I put our cups right here. We only used a few. I had a whole bunch but these are the ones that we gravitate more. And then I have my IKEA bowls up there. I'm still trying to figure out a way to organize the tumblers. As of now, I just had them laying flat on the side, but this is all that I have in this cabinet. On top of my stove, I reorganized this little area. I bought this Lazy Susan and it fits exactly all of the spices that we have. I have our bigger bottles here, like salt, steak seasoning, oil, peanuts, and then some of the pho base soup that I use. And then I put all of those packets up in that clear plastic bin that I bought because they were just right here and it was just too much clutter and it was hard to grab anything without the fear of it falling into my food while I'm cooking. So that's what I have for on top of my stove. And I just keep some plastic cups, plates, and spoons because sometimes when we like go out for like a picnic or to the beach, I have it here where it's just easy for me to just grab whatever we need and take it with us. This is where I originally had all of my cups, so you guys can tell I took out everything, even like the wine glasses and all of that because I don't use them, so I just didn't want to take up space. And so I bought a whole bunch of these Lazy Susans and I just put some of our seasoning up here, the ones that are open, so that's easier for us to grab them instead of under the sink, which is where it's harder for us to grab. I bought this organizer yesterday. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it, but I bought it just in case if I needed it. I originally had all of my baby's bottles in a plastic bin on top of the counter, but it was just taking up too much space, so I decided to put her stuff in a Lazy Susan as well. I just have some extra bottles to put my milk in when I'm pumped. I have my milk saver in here. I have my breast pump in here. And her bottles are in the dishwasher right now. So they're still drying. And this is what I have right here because I wanted to take everything off of the counter because I don't have that much counter space. I also cleared out this side. I just had a whole bunch of tumblers, random stuff all over here. And I took everything out, so I think I'm gonna make this kind of like our snack cabinet. As of now, I just have all our snacks on the rolling cart, and this is another plastic bin that I bought. It's the same one that I have all of the seasoning packets above my stove in. I just threw our Rice Krispies in here. Trail mix, we go through this box pretty quickly. We just bought 2 of them from Costco, so I'm just leaving it in its own packaging because it's already nice and set, so once it's done I could just toss out the whole entire thing. I need to organize this pantry one right here because there's just so much crap in here. We have like snacks, plastic plates, vitamins, just like random stuff in here that we just shove in here. So I need to organize this and I want to get some bins for it. I need to measure to see how big the spaces so that I can get the right size for this pantry area and organize this area because it just looks so chaotic. Today I've been testing out my new hands-free breast pump. I'm actually pretty impressed. This morning I tried it and I was able to pump out, I think, 3 or 4 ounces on my right side and a little less on my left because I nursed her already. I just got done pumping and I got 2 ounces, which is about like my average like during like early evening like this. So I'm pretty impressed, and I got it strictly so that when we go traveling or we like go anywhere to camping whatsoever, I have a pump to use. I am so sad to say that today is officially 1 month before I return back to work, and the thought of it just breaks my heart, and I just literally like want to cry because it's just been so nice being able to stay home. Being off for almost 5 months is like literally the best time I could have ever asked for, and being able to be with my daughter every single day and just having this time to bond and just be with her, take care of her, and really like soak in like becoming a mother has been like so amazing. It's just gonna be really sad and hard for me to like transition back to going to work, and I'm just praying and hoping that everything will go smoothly.